Midjourney is the AI application which creates amazing photos and pictures based on text. Midjourney is free. If you use it more, it's very cheap online AI software that creates amazingly cool pictures, drawings and graphics based on words or commands you give it. In this short video, I will show you how to create great images based on your words. You can use this AI app to create really spectacular images for your blog or any kind of presentation in general, easily and quickly. First, go to midjourney.com. Then click Join the Beta. You have to give your username and accept terms of service. Give your birth date, give your email and create the password. Then confirm your account by clicking on the link in the message you received in your email. Then you can continue to Midjourney's dashboard. Don't be confused by discord.com, because discord.com is just official server for Midjourney. Then you should see about this kind of dashboard with a menu on the left. First click a sailing ship icon on the menu. Then join one of the so-called newbies rooms. You should now see a field at the bottom of the page with a blinking cursor. Type Imagine in this field and press enter. The prompt is a command to tell you what kind of image you want to create with AI. It's up to your imagination what kind of image you want to create. Here is some examples. A brown Indian man standing in a muscular shirt with a rifle in his hand and a bandana on his head. Billionaire dog in New York. Naantali in Finland in summer. Young woman in swimsuit walks on the beach at sunset. You can use any kind of words to create your picture. Adjectives, season, people, place or any ideas you can think of. You can use specifications 4K, V4, AR 2:3 at the end of your prompt if you wish. You get high quality pictures which has aspect ratio 2:3. You can choose all pictures, or just the ones you want. So your prompt can be something like this: Portugal, Lisbon, people, happy, spring, food, hyper-realistic, 4K, V4, AR 2:3. And the result is I hope this video was helpful. You can copy these specifications below this video's description text.